Good morning, everyone. Today I'm back with my collection obsession, and I'm going to be scrapbooking the twins when they found their elves all entangled in some Christmas lights hanging off their balcony area, and I thought it was pretty cute. And let's see here, I gotta start with this one here, I think. Oh, I always have to have this other side. I really need, you know, inches on both sides. Would be more helpful. I thought it was so cute. Alex has on her hood. This one's gonna be Aiden's because I have more pages of Alex. So when I'm doing them both, I try to do Aiden's. Okay, now I thought I made a mark here, but maybe not. Okay, I had to go get a drink. Okay, I've overlap them just like 1/4 of an inch, I think. And then I have Santa's sleigh, some other embellishments. So I'm gonna do my triangle. I always work towards a triangle, even though sometimes I just have to, you know, do a scene or something else. But my goal is a triangle. Even though sometimes I think, oh, nope, it just calls for something else. And I'm trying to kind of get caught up here with Christmas coming, because I still want to try to get in a layout or something every day. I gotta tell you, I cleaned that closet and now all I do is want to finish the rest of the room. And it's like, I really, really want to purge. It's like, it was very freeing. It's so funny. It's like, you know, you take out some stuff and you think, oh my gosh, I think the air is fresher now. At least it always feels like that to me. Or like, you know, when I take everything out of the bedroom and, you know, really do a thorough cleaning, I always think, oh my gosh, now I can breathe better. Okay, so I've got 2 presents in the Santa's sleigh. I'm putting some little holly down here. And then I have a little squirrel. And these are squirrels like, you know, I don't think I've ever seen before. They've got big, longer ears or something. And I've never seen the ones with longer ears in real life. I know around here they're smaller. Oh, I'm knocking things off my table. But I did see a black squirrel for the first time at a park, well, up north of us. I was underneath the table in case you wondered how come I sounded weird. Up north of us. And so it was the first time I ever seen one. I've only seen one of those, and it was in that park. And I got a picture of him, and I would probably scrapbook it, but you can hardly see him. And after I took the picture, I realized he was pooping, so it's like it's not really something I want to scrapbook. Okay, so I'm putting this Christmas tree here. Now, I realized that the ones that were actually die cut, they didn't have a star on the top of them. So I'm gonna add my own, and I'm gonna take off the little, I'm using one of these which is done like an ornament, so it's got a little loop on the end, but I'm gonna cut that off and use it on the tree. I had bought this really pretty star for my tree, and it's this big heavy duty one. And oh, I might not be able to put that right there because I'm also going to put this here. I think I might have to slide this down a little. Hopefully I can do that. So I bought this big star and I just love it. It's super heavy duty. I got it at TJ Maxx. I'm gonna see if I can cut that off. And then we did a reno, and the next time I put up the tree, it's like, well, that's weird. I swear I had that on there last year. And here it was because we had a sunken living room before, and now we do not. And so, okay, I think I'm gonna put these down first. And so now the tree does, or the star does not fit. I think I did just like wrap, you know, since it's fake tree, it's got the wire branches. I think I did just wrap it around there one year and kind of set it towards the front, but it's almost dangerous. So anyhow, my daughter, she lost her angel that she had on her tree in a little debacle with the Christmas tree. So I said, if you like my star, you can have it. Now I just don't have it. I'm gonna stick an angel right in the front, one that kind of dangles in the front, because I guess it was more important for me to have a really tall Christmas tree than anything on the top. Okay. Now let me see if I can get a little tape right underneath there, because I don't want it sticking up as I'm working with it. Okay, and now I'm going to put a gift underneath the tree. Oh, we were watching, I think it's called National Lampoon Christmas, and I realized that the kid was actually, the boy was actually Leonard from, I think I need to have him over just a hair more, or maybe not. The boy was Leonard from The Big Bang. Maybe I said that. I was just so surprised because it's like, you know, half the time you watch a movie and you just kind of, well, sometimes, you know, I'm actually like cutting out embellishments, so I'm not really watching it full time, and it's like, wait a minute, that kid looks familiar. And then I realized it was Leonard. It was funny. And then my sister's like, you didn't know that? Nope, I did not. Okay, so I have one cluster here that is a little bit separated, but I wanted that jingle bell there. I love jingle bells like this, my fave. So I like to be able to use them every chance I get. And then I'm gonna stick this reindeer kind of over here. And I'm going to kind of, since he's kind of floating in the air, I'm going to put this little poinsettia kind of at his feet, so you can't tell that he's floating in the air. And then I'm going to put this other one. And you see I'm using a mix of the ones that are laser cut and the ones I cut myself. I kind of start out trying to use the ones I cut myself first and kind of try to hoard the laser cuts, but that doesn't last long. So it's like, I don't even know why I do it. It's just so funny. Okay, so I got that poinsettia there. And then I have these traditional type bulbs. And I'm going to stick one like it's just kind of rolled underneath the poinsettia. And you know, I always use tape as much as I can. And I'm going to put one here like it also rolled underneath the poinsettia. And you notice I keep layering over the pictures. I love that look. And then I'm going to stick this little pine cone right there. And now I think I have all my ingredients except for my daughter asked Alex what she would call it, and she said disco party. So actually now my Santa is just too far to the picture because my words are big. And now this one is Aiden's, but I'm going to call it his disco party too. He was not in the car when I was talking to her. So let's see, maybe I need him up just a little bit higher too. And over a little bit. I'm not going to push him down real hard yet. Okay, and I had a really hard time finding all the letters. I really wanted to use these red ones, and I think they might be just Hobby Lobby, but this color was perfect. And so I'm going to use a mix of capitals and smalls. And I could only get one done in this red, but I thought it was fun color even if I'm mixing up the letters. And I should have pushed my tree over. And you know, I've already moved it once. Probably can't move it again. Let's see. I'm asking a lot of this tree. It's gone through abuse already. Yeah, it's not coming off. Okay. I'm just going to stick Santa over here a little. Maybe he's more in front of the tree. Okay. So there we go. That works. And so that says disco. And here I'm going to write party. I tried it at different places, but I thought, you know what? I like this. I don't think I've ever done this on a layout where I'm kind of put it at the bottom of two pictures diagonally. And I thought that looks cute, just different. Okay, now I don't want to cover up the lights. Is that gonna fit? Oh, I guess I should have just used different letters. Okay, let me see if I can make it work. This T isn't standing up real good. Well, you know what? It's there. So this is just where it's gonna be. And at least it's not covering up the elves. Oh, and it's actually not even touching the lights. How about that? So, and then I'm going to use these dark green enamel dots. And I'm always using these ones from Gina Marie unless I got them through, sometimes I bought them from Peachy, or you know, bought something Peachy cheap and got enamel dots, but I love her enamel dots because I like the sizes, because even the big isn't real big. So I gotta say, I'm an enamel dot snob. But I know there's other ones out there that are nice size. But yeah, this is, she always has a nice, or you know, a variety of different colors. I love the colors. I really like the clear ones that she has. And then I've got a few glitter ones too. So I'm just kind of spreading these around to draw the eye around. And I will glue that down better too. Okay, so this one is going to be Aiden's. And then I did Alex's with white letters. And also she's got a smaller Christmas tree. And her letters, now she got all the same, you know, the same font or whatever, size font. But I really, really wanted these red ones. So I just have to get more red ones. So the one, maybe I can get them before I finish this collection. So this is layout number 2, right? Yeah, so I got 2 more to go. Because even though I did 2, I just count them as 1 because they're the same. And I will have close-ups at the end. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.